Here's how to make use of One-Bot RSI. One-Bot RSI is an auxiliary indicator of the relative strength between rising and falling pressures of prices, and is implemented in an algorithmic calculation method that is distinct from the commonly used RSI. If the likelihood of a rise is high, the buy or L signal is displayed, and if the likelihood of a drop is high, the sell or S signal is displayed. Here's an example on how you can utilize One-Bot RSI. You can see that the price rises after the L signal pops up and the price falls after the S signal pops up, as shown in the figure. This way, the signal from One-Bot RSI indicates that the trend is 70% likely to change in accordance to the signal. When the color of the line is red and the price is rising, it indicates an overbuying section. If the color of the line is green and price is falling, it indicates an overselling section. If the S signal is displayed in the overbuying section or if the L signal is displayed in the overselling section, the trend is likely to go in the direction of the signal. Signals that occur in overbuying and overselling sections have a high chance to have a large return. However, the signal at the boundary between red and green, which is based on the 0 point of the One-Bot RSI line, is almost the same boundary between buying and selling pressure when entering. This means that the trend can immediately occur in opposite signals, so be cautious when entering the position. If you get the opposite signal in a short time, as shown in the picture, you must trust the latter signal. For example, even if you entered the long position according to the L signal, and the S signal is displayed shortly after, it is recommended to enter a short position after canceling your original position. Here in the ARPA chart, you can see that S and L signals are displayed out several times in the horizontal section in the middle. There may be no big profit or loss, but if you trust the latter signal, L signal, you can see a big profit. Like this waves chart, the L signal is displayed, and it would have been sideways for a long time. But eventually it would have risen significantly in the direction of the One-Bot RSI, resulting in a big profit. This AMB chart is a good example of trend trading while short entry into S and long entry into L. Even if you set a specific coin and sell trends like this, you can get good results. Finally, let me briefly tell you the expected rate of return from the use of One-Bot RSI. As shown in the figure, if the S signal appears in the overbuying section and the L signal in the overselling section, this signal can be more reliable, and the expected return is 3 to 5%. However, the signal at 0 point, which is a cross-section between the One-Bot RSI line and the buying red and selling green, can expect an expected return of 1 to 3%. If you use leverage in futures trading, you might expect a little bit more return. Those who trade in this strategy can maximize profits and increase the number by entering the L signal where the green line, which is the overselling section. With One-Bot RSI, we hope you gain confidence in trading and wish you success. Thank you.